In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-follow on Poshmark. While Poshmark does not offer a built-in auto-follow feature, you can still follow users manually. This is an essential step to build your network and engage with potential buyers. Following users helps you stay connected with the community and increases visibility for your listings. To begin, open the Poshmark app on your device. As the app launches, you will be greeted with a user-friendly interface that showcases various features. This is where you can explore different categories, view your closet, and interact with other users. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout is beneficial. It allows you to navigate the app smoothly as you follow users. Next, you will want to tap the Search tab or browse the feed. The Search tab is typically located at the bottom of your screen and allows you to discover new users and listings. Alternatively, browsing the feed shows you the latest activity from those you already follow. Engaging with this content is a vital part of the Poshmark experience. It keeps you updated and helps you find users who may be interested in your closet. Now, let's move on to following a specific user. Open a user's profile by tapping their username or picture. This action takes you to their profile page where you can see their listings, followers, and following. It's important to explore their closet to understand their style and offerings. This insight can help you decide whether you want to follow them based on mutual interests and potential collaborations. Once you are on the user's profile, tap Follow. This simple action connects you with the user, allowing you to see their future activities and listings in your feed. Following users is crucial for networking within the Poshmark community. It opens doors to interactions that can lead to more sales and exchanges. After you tap Follow, repeat the process for other users you'd like to follow. You can search for specific users or continue browsing the feed for more connections. This repetitive action is vital for growing your network on Poshmark. Engaging with various users increases your visibility and can attract potential buyers to your listings. It is worth noting that while some third-party automation tools advertise auto-follow capabilities, these are not official Poshmark features. Using such tools can violate Poshmark's policies and risk your account's security. It is crucial to be aware of the potential consequences. Sticking to manual following keeps your account safe and maintains a genuine connection with other users. If you're looking to grow your closet further, remember that Poshmark sellers generally recommend focusing on regularly sharing your listings and engaging with buyers. This strategy is more effective in the long run than relying on automated tools. Regular interactions with your audience foster community and trust, which are key to successful selling on Poshmark. In conclusion, while there is no auto-follow feature on Poshmark, following users manually is straightforward. This method builds connections and enhances your presence within the platform. By taking these steps, you are investing time in establishing valuable relationships that can benefit your selling experience. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!